This is ridiculous right here. I don't know who. Oh, so he did the pipe this way. Wait a minute. Oh my God. I might have to pay somebody to come and do this. Because this is too much. This is ridiculous. Yo, I am just making a little path to get to my car. I am not. I'm probably to get somebody $40, $50 to come and do my yard real quick. Because this is... Oh my God. This is just... Oh my God. I'm not about to do this. I gotta pay somebody to come do this. Oh my goodness. This is a mess. Look at this snow. Look at this snow. And look where my car at. How am I supposed to get to my car, y'all? Oh my God, my neighbor is not even outside yet. He has one of them trucks with the thing on it. I could have paid him, but I don't see him. This is not about to... No, I'm about to go back upstairs because I can't do this. Look at all this snow. Let me just shovel my way through. Wait a minute, my hands. I just need to make a little line, a little path to my car. Look where my car at. Good morning. Oh, if I see one of them trucks come through here, I'm gonna start one of them. See if they could do my yard. And I'll pay them. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Look at this. How high this snow is. Ouch. I'm gonna get to my car. Hello, Mary. Thank you, love, for the hearts. Wow, it is a lot of snow. It sure is. And I'm almost close to my car. I'm just making the path so I can get to my car. Ay, ay, ay. This is ridiculous. Hold on, I'm getting hot now. I gotta take a break. I'm almost to my car. And look at him up there with his how do I make this? Hold up, my video bigger. Hold up. I don't even know. I want to mess it up. But he got his little snow plow thing out. I need somebody to do mine. Hello, Vivian. Jasmine. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna get almost to my car. This is way too much now. But thank God it's not snowing. Because they were saying that it's supposed to snow from yesterday until 8 o'clock tonight. So it's a good thing it's not snowing anymore. Whew. Hello, Deborah. Yeah, I'm almost to my car. I'm almost there. Hello, Alberta. Good morning. Good morning. Almost there. She said, I've been seeing the snow. You said, seeing the snow where you guys walk. Yes, it's just, oh my God, it's too much. Like, I like snow too, but not this much. This is a lot. Where are you? I'm still blocked because the road's not clean. I'm in Connecticut. Love. Ay, ay, ay. Not too much further from my car. Oh, yeah, it's so hot. Y'all, I feel like going back upstairs. If I go upstairs, I gotta go outside. I gotta get some stuff from the store. The snow is just dropping in my snow boots. Whew. Oh, somebody else is shoveling. Who's that? Y'all, this is not funny. Whew. Good morning, Trisha. Yes, Vivian. Oh, my goodness. I'm almost to my car. And then, that's still a lot because I still got to go around it. I got to get the snow from around it, from in front of it, from off top. Oh, my gosh. Whew. Okay. But I'm doing good, though. Look at the little path I did so far. I'm doing good so far. I'm doing good. Whew. Whew. I gotta stop doing it before I break the shovel, and I ain't gonna have no shovel. Hey! Hey, cousin, how you doing now? Jada's supposed to be coming down here to help me, but she ain't get down here yet. And I don't want my father to come down here and do it because his back be hurting. You know, and hurt his back. So that's why I just came down here and did it. But he coming down too, but I don't want him to do it. Oh, I need to get lucky and see one of them guys coming through here so they can do my yard. Oh. Yeah, I'm tired. Mommy, I will call you back. You call me a messenger, I will call you back. Oh, God. This is a lot of snow. All right, y'all, later.